Now, under the law, when an illiterate person enters into a contract verbally, he is bound by every aspect of that contract, because it is assumed that he entered into that contract based on his understanding. It is assumed that he listened, understood, and entered into the contract. He knew what he was getting into. So it does not matter whether the other party is more literate than him. As long as he heard the person speak, he understood what the person, said, and entered into that contract, agreed to be bound by that contract based on his understanding, then he is legally bound by every aspect of the contract. Now, the provision of the law for a drunken person or an intoxicated person is very similar to that of a lunatic. So contracts entered into during the person's lucid period, so the person was sane, right? The person was not in a drunken state, will be binding on the person. But if the person can prove that when the contract was being entered into, he did not know what he was doing, he was intoxicated, he was drunken, therefore the court may rule that it will not be binding on him. The court may also rule in his favor when he can prove that not only was he not capable of entering into a contract because of his drunken state, but that the person with whom he entered into the contract was aware that he was in a drunken state, then the law or the court may rule in his favor.